What's up, y'all? It's TreniuS, and you're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are working for us because we're doing right. Yeah, I'm out here on my morning jog, out here, in the neighborhood. I don't usually do a morning jog, but from time to time, I just get out and just get some of the good air before I start my day. But anyway, so I'm gonna talk to you about how to use powerful I am affirmations to speak things into existence. Truth is, most people are using I am affirmations all the time. Not only I am affirmations, but I am, I can, and I will. Most people are saying these affirmations all the time. They're adding like I can, or I will not do this, or I can not do this, or I am ugly, or I am not good enough. People are doing this unconsciously all the time at all hours throughout the day. Okay, it's just that if you unconscious, you don't realize that you're doing it, but at the same time, these are the most powerful affirmations that you can possibly use to speak things into existence. Like, these are the most powerful affirmations that you can use to speak things into existence, folks. So when you consciously get in the habit of saying like I can do this, like consciously, I am victorious, I am powerful, I am the greatest, I am the best, I am rich. When you get in the habit of saying the affirmations consciously, that's when you begin to see results happen in your life. Now, these results don't happen right away. Okay, I'm just going ahead and make note of that right now. These results do not happen right away. It's something that you notice over time if the universe sees that you are in the habit of speaking these things into existence regularly. If the universe sees that you know that you are consciously using I am affirmations consciously, I will and I can consciously, then the universe begins to work on your behalf to actually get the thing that you are speaking into existence to you. Okay? And I'm gonna also tell you this. When speaking things into existence, folks, when you're speaking things into existence, we have to get back into a habit of having conviction about the things that we're speaking into existence, okay? When I say conviction, what I mean is you have to have a sheer determination without the shadow of a doubt that what you want to attract, what you want to manifest is going to happen. Like the way you speak it when you with your friends, with your family, I am going to be a lawyer, mother. And you have to really mean it. Like your foot has to stomp on the floor. Like you have to, I am going to be a boss, a CEO, and ain't nobody gonna stop me. I know for a fact that I am going to own my own company one day. You see, the way I spoke that was with conviction, because what I was doing was I was using emotion to confirm it within myself that I was going to be a CEO or a boss. So that way, when your mind, because the mind like to play tricks on you, the mind is a trickster, okay? That way, when your mind likes to remind you of you becoming that CEO, or you said that you will become that boss, your mind will remind you of the feeling of how much conviction you had when you put the affirmation into the atmosphere. You see what I'm saying? Versus you having a weak conviction about, I can get that car if, I had enough money. See, that was a weak conviction. I didn't have enough feeling attached to which would become a memory, the affirmation that will become a memory. That affirmation will become a memory. And it doesn't have any emotions to it. Okay? So you have to make sure that you provide the most conviction on every affirmation that you speak into the universe in order to speak things into existence. I can, I will, I am has to be spoken with conviction. That's one thing I noticed on my journey when I got into a habit of speaking things into existence. I started to realize that I wasn't confident enough in the things that I was speaking into existence. My convictions were very weak. I was basically doubting myself when I was speaking things into existence. I was literally doubting myself. Like, I think I can do it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. But when you be like, I will move to Los Angeles. Like I will move to Los Angeles. I will move to Los Angeles. I can do it. When you get in the habit of speaking things into existence using these affirmations with conviction, that's when the real force starts to really shift things for you, and it starts to really happen. Okay, so remember, folks, consciously speak I can, I will, and I am. Consciously speak these affirmations all throughout the day today. When your mind reminds you of this video and you're having a conversation with somebody riding with you in the car, and y'all talking and y'all having a conversation, and they want to see how much you believe in the things that you want to create for yourself and the things that you want to manifest for yourself, tell them in conviction the things that you're going to do and make them believe it. Make them believe it, folks. That's one thing I liked about Martin Luther King, you know. That's one thing I like about Martin Luther King. And that's one thing I even like about Donald Trump, even though Donald Trump is not my favorite president, but I do like the way he says things in conviction. I like the way he speaks things into with conviction, because he wants to speak it into existence, such as that wall. Like, he really believed that he's gonna build that wall. I mean, because you can't tell him otherwise. He speaks it with conviction. Martin Luther King believed in something. He spoke it with conviction, and guess what? Everybody backed him up for it. I believe. I have a dream. I have a dream. So remember these affirmations, folks. I'm TreniuS Henderson. Thank you for being tuned in. Make sure you click this icon right here so that you can subscribe to my videos. I think it's right here, whatever. Subscribe to my videos every single day. You can get notified every single day with new videos. Also, check out this next video right here if you want to watch another video where I'm talking about how to speak things into existence and using these affirmations, okay? If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me get back out here. Let me finish this job. I'll see y'all in the next video.